2021, maybe 2020, I don't even know. SE Monster Quad. Whoa. Damn, that wind almost took me into that bench. Okay, halfway. Okay, see if we can keep it going down to the water. Welcome to another park ride. We're in downtown Tampa over at Julian Park, the Waterfront Park. Today we're on the Monster Quad. Haven't brought this thing out in a bit. Might be a little wormy. It's always windy out here, so you know how it goes. Let's get to it. Oh, worm. Hadn't rode this bike in a minute, man. This thing heavy. Perfect timing. And my NPCs. Thank you, server. Whew. Tampa, a little skyline action. Straz Center, Barrymore Hotel. That's a new high rise right there. Very top's got a rooftop pool. That's what's up. Let's come over here. See if we can get a peg trick. SE dead, y'all heard that? Little crank action. I ain't gonna lie, this bike is hard to ride. After riding a nimble like C100 or a fast, these tires are tough. Oh shit. You know what? This is the perfect spot. Do a little bike check on this. If y'all hadn't seen this in a minute, I don't think I've done a bike check on it, so let's run it. Whew. This is that Arctic blue, I think maybe it's called. No, cobalt blue. 2021, maybe 2020, I don't even know. SE Monster Quad. It's got 29 by 2.8 inch tires. These things, they're fat. One thing about like the fatter tires is it's kind of easier to wheelie. You got a bigger, like, you know, path to balance on versus like the skinny tires. The maxes, those are like 2.5. And these just spread out way more. This kind of makes it easier to wheelie. But as I was mentioning before, that makes this front way heavier. So I don't know, some people probably like it, it's easier to balance, but it's something you got to note, something on the differences between the fat tires and the skinny tire wheelie bikes. Let's start at the front. So as you can see, I changed these rims up. I have TNT M80 rims. I got a local bike shop to lace them all up. I kept the stock hubs and the stock spokes, stock nipples or whatever. I have just the regular kit on there. I didn't throw any sort of kit from Ride Out Supply. I got a couple stickers and stuff from them, but no full kit. I took the front brake off. That would be on this side. I took the disc off for a real clean look. The little stem valve covers, I got those in purple to match everything up. This is from a Purple Rain. As you can see, it has the SE carving in there and the SE logo at the top. So this one's from a Purple Rain, a Big Ripper. I bought it off someone who switched up their colorway. I bought it way before SE started making like those purple ones. But as you can see, this one's way different. The one that they make that you can buy that's like 50 bones, it's like super basic. This one's fucking etched out. It's fucking sick. I got the Monster Quad little capper right here. ODI grips. I've got some bands right here, Ride Out Supply, bands that kind of like match up with the bike. Yeah, ODI long neck grips. These are like seafoam green. I did have some neon green ones with the pedals to match, but I switched it up. Went with this little seafoam, Little John. It kind of matches, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I've got the stock brakes. These are Tektro Auriga. They are hydraulic brakes. Little disc right there. Stock brakes, I mean, they're all right. That's what I'd say about them. They're not Shimano's, but they get the job done. If you know how to wheelie, I mean, just adjust the brakes, get new pads, do whatever you need to do. Let's see. I have the stock chain ring, everything right there. These pedals, these are my favorite pedals. Y'all have heard me talk about them before. They're like the biggest kind of squarish pedals. Also, they have this little notch right here, so when you lay your bike down, this part doesn't get all scratched up. Keeps it like super clean. These are by a brand name Stolen, and these are Thermalite pedals, and they matched up with the ODI grips right there. Real nice. This seat is from an OM Duro. I've got a Duro, so I switched the seats up. The Monster seat is like way smoother. This one has like a little tiny bit of grip, so it's kind of nice. I would maybe switch it out, but I don't know, it looks good. I think it looks good. We got a purple quick release seat clamp. This is from Ride Out Supply. Doesn't necessarily match up all the purple, but I'm with it. Kept the seat post. No really need to change that up. I got my seat slammed anyways, so I'm fine with it. It's chrome, and I got other chrome parts. Oh shit, I missed this. This is the super big honking bars. So these are gonna be a little bit taller and a little bit wider than like the stock bars it comes with. To me, it just makes it like a little bit more comfortable. Even though I'm like a small dude, like, I don't know, it just makes it more comfy, especially like when you're in a peg wheelie. Back here we got Merit pegs. I wrapped them in purple grip tape. These are like bigger than your standard like SE pegs. I don't know, I can't really tell much of a difference when you're standing behind them, because you really want to be as close as you can to the axle to keep your weight and your balance and everything. So I don't know if the longness really even helps. Let's see, we got SE chain tensioners. So yeah, all that fits. You can have pegs and chain tensioners on the Monster Quad, and still everything works just fine. This is the same cassette, same chain. I kept all that stuff. Everything's fine and smooth for me. When I got the Monster Quad, I felt like it was like one of the smoothest SE bikes. Like, it's built like a tank, and just like the way it handles, it's just real balanced and real smooth. It is sort of hard to like pop it up and like keep it up, because the gearing is like, I guess it's, I don't know if you say it's low or it's high, but it's like, it's kind of hard to pedal. So like, if you're going for distance and like all that kind of stuff, it makes it pretty hard on the Monster Quad. So if you got distance on that, big ups to you, because you know how to fucking, you know how to keep that wheel up. Once that wheel stops, it gets even harder. Considering getting like a new profile, like a hub set, just to make this thing really, really, really smooth. But we'll see. I don't know, I just kind of like it how it is. But yeah, that's the bike check on this. It's looking real good too right now. This color scheme I did before the white one popped off. I'm pretty sure Todd Lyons, like, you know, saw my John, was like, yo, let's do this for the next one. and did that. If you go on the SE page, I think I got like 2 or 3 bikes posted by Todd. You scroll down, they're like a couple years ago, but yeah, I'm even followed by SE. Check my Insta. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. A second ago, there were some manatees over here. I don't know where they went. I'll upload the clip if I can. It's for my phone though. All right. Oh shit. Worm activity. We got the pigeons out here. Damn, it like drops in temperature when you go under this. Go Bolts, baby. So quiet under here. Tampa River Center. They keep all the boats and stuff in here, launch them right over there. Pretty cool. See if we can get a little something. Ah, worm. Come on. Definitely had that one. Let's go up here. I want to see if we can peg wheelie down this whole thing right here. I mean, I know I can. Let's just see if we can get it. Okay, halfway. Okay, see if we can keep it going down to the water. Ah, worm! Damn it. I wanted to come over here. I don't know, maybe we'll try it again. It's pretty close. The wind wouldn't have been so whack. Haven't done knee knock in a while on this bike. Let's try it. Right when this fucking wind goes crazy. Okay. We gotta land. Haven't tried that trick on this bike in probably 2 months. Little first try. Here, now we're about to rest going up this hill so we can get that. That's the whole thing right there. Starts right there. I don't know, more than a football field. I'm gonna get more speed this time. See if that kind of helps us. Right when I pulled it up last time, there was a big like burst of wind and I got on the brake. Okay. A little bit more speed this time. Oh shit. Oh, no. At least we landed it on the second little duo. Yeah, this park literally comes right down to the raw water. You can make a cool ramp right into this. Alright. Well, that was 2 tries of that. I don't think I'm gonna try it again. I mean, you can see how windy it is. It's not easy. No excuses though. The fuck? No, I think what we're about to do is go on the other side of the river. Do some river walk action. Leave the park. Yeah, worm. I know. I'll at least give you the bridge though. Old Dalmatian. Where's the 100 of them? That's one. Oh, fucking worm. Feels like I have a flat. That was weird. Huh. I'm about to go up in this little area. Beer can tower right there. This area is real tough. It's got some really good views for sunsets. Yeah, it overlooks the Riverwalk and everything. You got the Riverwalk going all the way down there. Curtis Hixon Park right here. The art museum. Looks like they're having a big festival this weekend. Yeah, and all the people start right here, walk all the way that way. You got UT right there, University of Tampa. Bunch of the city. Some of the different high rises and everything. Yeah, it's a cool area down here. A lot of people ride their bikes, rollerbladers. Got this little amphitheater John right here. Thing looking good in the sun. They got a little bar right here you can bring your bay to. They do like brunches and shit here. Get juiced up. Y'all think she like that? Little winner out in public. Whoa. Damn, that wind almost took me into that bench. I think if I would have wrecked on that, can you imagine? Oh. Oh, oh. Getting the worm wobbles. Bro.